Hello everyone. In this video, Board of Intermediate Education AP Board first year chemistry question paper discuss. This question paper download to the Telegram group, link on the description. Follow the link, like and share and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the paper. Answer all the following question. Each question carries 1 marks. 9 cross 1 equal to 9 marks. Question number first. Which one of the following pair of the compound illustrate the law of multiple proposal? What is the correct answer? Option 4, SnCl2 and SnCl4. Question number 2, increasing order for the value of E by M for electron, proton, neutron and alpha particle is option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. Which one is the right answer? Right answer option 2 is the correct answer. Next question, question number 3. Which of the following oxide when dissolved in water form an acidic solution Na2O, CO, Al2O3, Cl2O7? What is the correct answer? Correct answer option D, Cl2O7. Non-metal oxide are generally acidic. Question number 4. What is the shape of ammonium ion? What is the shape of the ammonium ion? Tetrahedral. Shape of the ammonium ion? Tetrahedral. sp3 hybridization. Question number 5. Work is done by the system and Q amount of heat is supplied to the system. What type of system would it be? What is the answer? Closed system. Next question. Question number 6. What is the value of Kw at 25 degrees Celsius? Answer become 1.0 into 10 की power of minus 14 mole square liter की power minus 2 is the right answer. Question number 7. Reductant is the element which can reduce the other substance and itself undergoes. What is the answer? Oxidation. Question number 8. Ethyl alcohol and methyl alcohol can be separated by fractional distillation. Fractional distillation. This is the answer of the question number 8. What is the question number 9? The possible isomer of C4H10. The possible isomer is a 2N-butane and isobutane. Question number 10. How many moles of glucose are present in 540 grams of glucose? Question number 11. Calculate the volume of O2 at STP required to completely burn 100 ml of acetylene. Question number 12. What is the frequency of radiation of wavelength 600 nanometer? This PDF download to the Telegram group and Telegram group channel on the channel link on the description. Follow the link, like and share and subscribe to the channel. Question number 13. What is the Hund's rule? Question number 14. An element X has the atomic number 34. Give its position in the periodic table. Question number 15. Water is a liquid at a room temperature, but hydrogen sulfide is a gas. Give reason. Question number 16. What is meant by bond order? What is meant by bond order? What is the formula of the bond order? bond order equal to Nb minus Na upon 2. Question number 17. What is a intensive and extensive property? Question number 18. What is meant by dynamic equilibrium? Question number 19. What is a deproportional reaction? Give example. Question number 20. What is a hybridization of carbon in CS3 plus ion? Question number 21. What is a distillation? Question number 22. What is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation? This is a very important question for the intermediate examination. All question prepare and PDF download to the Telegram. Explain the structural isomerism with one example. Section C. Any 8 of the following question. Each question carries 4 marks. Numerical based question. A carbon compound contains 12.8% carbon, 2.1% hydrogen and 85.1% bromine. The molecular masses of the compound is 187.9 unit. Calculate its molecular formula. Question number 25. What is a Nobel plane? How many Nobel planes are possible for 2p and 3d orbital? Question number 26. Give any 4 characteristic property of the transition element, D block element. Question number 27. Explain the structure of the CH4 molecules. Question number 28. Explain the hybridization involved in PCl5 molecules. Question number 29. Define heat capacity. What are Cp and Cv and the formula so that Cp minus Cv equal to R. Question number 30. Define and explain the standard enthalpy of formation delta FH. Question number 31. State Le-Chatelier principle. Describe the application of Le-Chatelier principle for industrial synthesis of ammonia by Haber process. Question number 32. Explain Lewis acid and base with suitable example. Classify following species into Lewis acid and Lewis bases. OH minus ion, F minus, H plus, B Cl3, boron trichloride. Balance the following redox reaction by ion electron method in acidic medium. Question number 34. What are different types of organic reactions? Question number 35. What is dehydrogenation? Halogenation. Write the equation for the formation of alkene from alkyl halide. And any of the 2 questions, each question carries 8 marks. What are the postulates of the Bohr model of hydrogen atom? Discuss the importance of this model to explain various series of line spectrum in hydrogen atom. Lymer series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Pfund series and Bracker series. And 37 is a very important question. Write an AC on sp, D and F block element. D is a transition element and F block is the inner transition element, alkali metal and alkali earth metal. And question number 38. Describe 2 method of preparation of ethylene. How does it react with the following? Give equation. Ozone, cold and distilled alkali, KMnO4 and bromine. This is a very important for the examination. Thanks to watch, like and share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.